Welcome over back to my channel. Today is a follow-up of the cleaning of the sea moss. I'll be showing you how I make the gel. So first thing first, this is our sea moss that's clean. Look at that. Clean and ready to make the gel. Blender, I will be just adding the sea moss. Look at that. The ratio I typically use is 2:1 because you want it to have a gel-like consistency. Then we just blend. Blend. Blending, we're just gonna pour. Now look at that consistency, it's perfect. Going to pour. Making the gel, I will be sealing it and put in the refrigerator up to 2 weeks. You know, it has a lot of minerals, it's anti-inflammatory, it's good for your gut, it's good for your health. You could take a spoon per day, you can put in your smoothies, you can use it to make cheese, whatever, be creative. Please to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will be definitely putting out more content like this. Thank you very much and have a great day.